Every day, we make small choices, even about what we wear. Cheap clothes feel exciting at first. You'd buy more and more. It feels good in the moment. Nick, you're winning. But soon, the quality fades, and so does the excitement. Before you know it, you're throwing things away again. Now imagine choosing less, but choosing better. One good piece lasts longer and feels better. You take care of it, and it takes care of you. Two paths. One leads to waste, the other to value. Your life is shaped by small choices. Choose wisely.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.